Jardín Botánico is a popular Medellin park and garden located near the city center. It has over 1,000 different living plant species, butterflies, birds, and other interesting animals on 34 acres of land. The gardens are tranquil with a great open setting for families, groups, and students. There is no charge to enter, only a small fee for parking. From this video, you'll see that Curious Perro made a new friend, Senor Iguana. Jardín Botánico has 6 main features: a tropical forest, a lake named after Francisco José de Caldas, a desert garden, a garden of Orquideorama, which we'll show you later, a house of butterflies, and a garden of palms. The Jardín Botánico is a great venue for events and shows. They create an enormous orchid display during the Feria de los Flores and host a book and culture festival late into the summer. Due to the lush beauty and landscape, many people have selected Jardín Botánico as a place for their wedding or other special events. And I would like to finally introduce you to Mr. Iguana. He was our tour guide during our visit. Jardín Botánico is a well-respected organization in Colombia, inspired by Joaquin Antonio Uribe for its exploration, preservation, and conservation of flora.